What year is this one, John? 59 Oliver. With a 371. How long's this one been since you started it?
Well, I just started this last week.
Okay.
I never saw an engine. There's no generator. There's no bells on the generator on this thing. You charge the battery in the spring, and you take it out in the fall. This fucking thing will start.
Really hit the key.
One charge in the battery all summer will start.
I don't think my fuel injected pickup truck on gas starts that quick.
No, I never have. The other one starts harder.
Yeah?
The other one starts harder. But,